Most creative workflows don't break because of bad ideas. They break because of repeated setup. You figure out a creative workflow once, build a great result, and then the next time around, you're rebuilding the same messy process from scratch. That is why I'm pumped about FLORA's new feature called Techniques. They let you take a multi-step AI workflow and compress it into a single reusable creative step. So instead of rebuilding the whole pipeline every time, you can just drop it into your canvas, wire up the inputs, and run it. For creative professionals, that means more speed, more consistency, and less friction. Techniques are pre-built creative workflows with defined inputs, outputs, example presets, credit costs, and estimated runtime. So you're not just getting a prompt, you're getting a tested system you can actually use. I built a simple technique myself, creating a product lookbook output using a model image and a product image. This is a simple workflow, yet it can be duplicated across canvases for any product you can imagine. More advanced techniques could end up saving you hours per week. What I really like is that Techniques lets you benefit from the workflow of other creatives. You can browse the Techniques library, find a workflow that matches your use case, preview it, and use it inside your own canvas. And if you build something strong yourself, Technique Builder allows you to package that workflow, publish it, reuse it anywhere on any canvas, and even make it available to others. So the real value here is not just better outputs. It's turning good creative judgment into repeatable leverage. If you're a solo creative, that's a big deal and is going to save you tons of time. If you'd like to try Techniques for yourself, you can try FLORA for 25% off using my creative partner link in the description. If you'd like to learn how to build your own one-person AI native studio, head to escapism.ai and sign up for my free newsletter. Thank you for watching.